Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, as the session motto, it's clear. Okay, regarding test platforms. Okay, which are the different companies are using different test platforms to conduct the exam, and what is the test pattern for each MNC company or majority of the MNC's companies. I'm trying to cover in this session. At any point of time, if you people have a doubt, please drop a message or unmute yourself, and you can ask your queries as well. Right? And yeah, so MNC test pattern and test platforms. Fine. So straightforward, let me go on with the TCS ION. TCS ION is the test platform. TCS ION is one of the test platform which will be used to conduct exam related to TCS recruitment, TCS recruitments. Okay. Or I can say it's not only for TCS. There are a lot of Tata other groups. Tata AAG, Tata Steel Company, Tata LXC. In fact, GATE exam also conducted in TCS test platform, and all government jobs online, central government jobs, maximum state government jobs, all online related exams, including your MCET exam, all those things are conducted by TCS only. TCS is one of the test platform. I'm just first focusing on the test platform. TCS is one of the test platform which is going to be utilized to conduct the exam for TCS recruitment. Okay, TCS is having three different profiles: Ninja, Digital, and Prime. And it's a request for every student. There is something called tcsnqt paid one. You need to pay the amount. We suggest not to go with that. Don't go for paid one. Okay, through paid one you don't get this Ninja Digital Prime related opportunity. It's only for free NQT you need to go. Don't go for TCS NQT paid related stuff. That's waste actually. Ninja package is 3.36 LPA. This is what I'm mentioning. No coding is required. I'll elaborate the test pattern going forward. In this 3.36 LPA there is no coding. For digital, package is around 7.2 LPA, bit coding required. This is 9 plus LPA for prime. This is good coding candidates will get. So they'll give two programs in thesis actually. If two programs you are not done, at least you are eligible for 3.36. But one program you are done in that coding part, you will get 7.2 LPA. If you got two programs better and perform well in the interview, you will get 9 lakhs package as well. Using TCS platform, there are some other recruitments also will happen. Tata AAG, Tata Steel, Tata LXC. In fact, GATE exam also they'll conduct in TCS test platform, and this document will be shared to you. Don't worry about noting down and all. Plus, first focus, listen, understand the things. And I shared certain links for you people. This is the original. I'll just click on this link. Okay, you can see this is the TCS original. TCS is very fair. Okay, and they're giving a test platform where you can see this is link. If you click, this is the exam which you people are going to take in main final year. When you come to final year, you will take this type of exam only. And here, if you click on sign in, generally you have to enter your ID and all. But this is a test platform demo one. You can just click on sign in. It will open. Okay, what is the instructions to go ahead? What type of sections you are having? Numerical ability, verbal and reasoning. Numerical ability means nothing but quant, reasoning and verbal. These three sections, if you are aware of these three, getting good score, minimum you will get Ninja interview. You know, sir, I'll do next sections also clear. Coding and advanced quant and reasoning. You may get chance for digital or prime. Depends on okay your knowledge in second 4, 5, 6 sections. You may go out for 7 lakhs or 9 lakhs package, or else if you perform well in first round, quant, reasoning and verbal, you have a minimum package of 3.36, right? And click on this read instructions, and if you proceed, this is the demo one. You can keep trying using this link how that TCS platform looks like. This is what the section, this is the question. Virtual calculator allowed in TCS exam and GATE exam. You click on this, a calculator will be displayed. Yeah, you can observe the calculator here. Right, so you can use calculator, and these are the questions you can find it, right? So this is the link I'll share you people. Okay, don't worry about it. So we can practice how TCS, what level of questions they're asking, and okay, so they're very fair enough that they're giving a sample platform so that you don't get trouble on the day of exam. From now onwards you can keep practicing what level of questions they're asking in TCS and how the things are, right? And yeah, I'm just moving for the that, like that I shared you 3 different links you people can practice how the TCS platform looks like and how you can work on. And some people are worrying about, sir, I am not good in coding. No worry, I'm repeating that. If you are good in numerical ability, verbal and reasoning, numerical ability means nothing but quant reasoning and verbal. If you perform well, then you'll get ninja opportunity, which is of 3.36 LPA. And some people are still worrying about, sir, package is lesser. Package is less for that, as you mentioned here, double package. Yes, if you want, you learn coding, you start doing coding. Time is enough. You can start preparation from now. Still, you can get the things better. That's not a problem. But okay, sir, I'm getting only 3.36 LPA. Still, no problem. Listen, in TCS again, it's a very good company. After joining to the company, 6 months after that, still they'll give you opportunity to upgrade your offer. You can attend a test. If you perform well, again you have a chance to get digital and prime after 6 months once you join to the company. Still, that opportunity is also there. After btech, still 1 or 2 months gap to join to the company, you can upgrade your coding skills. Then after joining company, still 6 months, you can upgrade your coding skills. Then you give it attempt. Okay, if you perform well, then you'll upgrade your offer from 3.36 to 7.2 and 9 LPA also, right? So right now, first primary thing you need to focus is quant reasoning and verbal. Okay, that's one platform, and all companies related, okay, opportunities, test links, everything. Some, okay, there are some off campus, on campus and off campus drives are there. Off campus drives, everything is shared here. And some people are worrying about quant and reasoning, what topics to be learned and how to prepare. In my YouTube channel, everything is already uploaded, and I'll share you one PDF, okay, in this group, where all topics related to quant and reasoning without using formulas. Topic video link is already given. That is shared in this Telegram group link. And in fact, I'll share to our college team as well. They'll share it to you internally. You can start learning quant reasoning verbal as a primary concern. Rest all secondary. Okay, that's very important for you, right? So TCS is one of the test platform which is used for all these recruitments, right? And one more important is CoCubes or AON platform. Previously it's CoCubes, now we'll call it like AON. So this platform is used for which companies, sir? You can see the list. Showa Developers is a company which is only for triple E students. Recruitment for triple E. Hyundai will recruit triple E students, mechanical students as well. Hexaware company, Capgemini company, all these companies will use CoCubes or ION test platform to conduct the test, right? See, before going for any company, any drive, first you should understand what test platform. And there are some terms and conditions you have to know. Let us say this TCS company we are discussing, no, previously we are done with TCS, no. So in TCS, one thing you have to very much clear, you cannot navigate between sections. You cannot navigation, okay, not allowed. What is this navigation not allowed, sir? Not allowed between sections and questions both. In the sense, suppose, see, the problem in TCS platform is navigation not allowed. What is this navigation not allowed, sir? Let me explain. See, I already opened that link. No, again I'll open. Let's say I open this link. Okay, let's log in. See, you cannot move from one. See, this is only quant reasoning verbal I kept in this. And problem in this tcsnqt platform is, if suppose you started with numerical ability, you have to start numerical ability only. I cannot open reasoning. I cannot open reasoning. I have to go with numerical ability only. If suppose I want to go for second question, it will ask you to attempt this one. See this instruction. This question is mandatory for you to attempt. You cannot revisit this question. First question you must and should attempt and go for second question. When you go to second question, you cannot come to first question. You cannot navigate from one question to other question. Once you're done with first question, you go for second. I cannot come to first question again. Navigation between sections also not allowed. First I have to go with numerical ability, nothing but quantitative aptitude, then verbal, then reasoning. Sir, I'm very good in reasoning. I'll start reasoning. Not allowed, my dear friend. Sir, నాకు రీజనింగ్ బాగొచ్చు, నేను రీజనింగ్ ఫస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను. No. In TCS, it's not possible, right? So kindly understand that. Okay. And we are requesting you people to do Salesforce certification. College will encourage you people to do Salesforce certification. Okay, if you are Salesforce certified, Salesforce means it's not related to marketing or sales job. It's related to software only. Don't worry. There is two positions, admin and developer. Okay, one among this certification, if you have, TCS giving an opportunity for you people to attend for the drive. Okay, when you come to final year, TCS will give opportunity to attend for the drive through Salesforce as well. There is an open drive. If you don't have any certification, still you can enter. Or if you have Salesforce certification, you will get the chance bit earlier compared to open drive. Or some people having Pega certification. Pega is no code. No coding is there in Pega. If you people have Pega certification, then you will get opportunity for TCS directly before going for the open drive. Certifications, if you have anything, then it's definitely benefit. Okay, one among the certifications also bus. Good, right? So TCS, that's what the input. Now moving for CoCubes test platform. All these recruitments are using CoCubes platform to conduct the exam. TCS is having their own platform to conduct the exam, but Capgemini, they don't have own platform, that company. Cognizant don't have their own company, own platform for that company. They're using CoCubes as a assessment test platform. They're asking CoCubes to conduct a test for my students, give the scores. From there, company will follow the interview. But test will be conducted by CoCubes. Now they call it like a AON platform, right? So this all companies, still there is list is bigger. I kept only few which you people are pretty much aware of, right? The beauty in CoCubes test platform is navigation allowed. You can see I can go for 23, I can go for 24, 25. Navigation allowed. Navigation allowed between questions and sections. Suppose I can start the last section, I can start the first section, I can start any section. This is the CoCubes platform. CoCubes are AON platform. Navigation allowed between questions and sections. You can start any question, you can start any section as well. Navigation allowed, pretty much. Okay, no problem. And calculator not allowed here. Virtual calculator is not available. Virtual calculator not available. Whereas in TCS, virtual calculator is there. I shown you calculator, no, when you open that. Okay, virtual calculator allowed in TCS company. Gate exam and TCS is only allowing virtual calculator, right? Okay, remaining companies, they don't allow virtual calculator. So fine. And sir, CoCubes related previous questions will share you the documents in my Telegram group, or if required, you just post through the college. If you got a message, I'll give you previous CoCubes related material. So when you're preparing for Capgemini company, all these companies, you can go for CoCubes previous questions. Similar level, similar models they'll ask. That's what the advantage. When you know which company is conducting, which test platform they're using, then you can go through the previous questions of the test platform and you can work on it. And this is not permanent. Previously Cognizant using other platform, this year they are using AON platform, next year they may change. You should get that updated detail, which company, okay, which platform, then you go through the previous questions related to that. That will help you out to do the things preparation in a better way, right? So other platform is AMCAT or SHL. AMCAT is now called as SHL. Which companies, sir? Tech Mahindra, L&T, Infotech. L&T is not only for civil, L&T Infotech is for all branches. In fact, that will allow every branch students, okay, especially circuit branches, ECs, Triple E, CSC, allied branches, all are eligible for LTI. Amazon company, Barclays, and there is a list is bigger. Okay, all these companies are using AMCAT test platform to conduct the exam, AMCAT or SHL. This AMCAT platform also similar to TCS. What is the similarity between TCS for and AMCAT is navigation not allowed. Navigation not allowed between questions and section. First question displayed, attempt, go for the second question. then you cannot revisit the previous question. When I go for second question, sir, can I attempt first question again? No. Navigation not allowed between sections and questions if it is AMCAT platform or SHL platform. Sections and questions. Navigation not allowed. Right. And see, this is how the platform looks like. Here we have AMCAT. You can see that these questions will be there. Timer will be displayed here. Okay, and this is how you cannot only one question display at a time. When you go for next question, you cannot see the previous question. And this is reasoning. When you start reasoning, okay, they will give particular order. First, you have to start quant, verbal, reasoning, same order only. I'm good in reasoning, I'll start reasoning. No. I'm good in verbal, I'll start verbal first. No. Whatever the order they given, you need to go according to that only. There is no alternate. So, AMCAT platform. HirePro also is one of the platform which will primarily use it for Legato company recruitment. John Deere company, Virtusa, Walmart, HP, Persistent, Deloitte company, Goldman Sachs company, Deisha & Co. All these companies recruitment they use HirePro test platform. HirePro is one of the test platform. Okay, they'll use this test platform to conduct the exam for all these MNCs. And here, this is how it looks. And here, navigation between sections allowed, navigation allowed. Except TCS company, okay, no other company will allow calculator, virtual calculator. Here, navigation allowed. This is how Legato platform looks like. You can go for 1, 2, 3, 4, any question you can start. You can go for any section, no problem. You can start any question in any section, no problem. HirePro platform looks like this. All this document will be shared, don't worry, just focus on learning. And Mettl platform, which is used for Accenture, Amazon, Cognizant, Barclays. Sir, you said Cognizant CoCubes platform, you are saying Cognizant Mettl platform. Accenture also you said CoCubes platform. Accenture again you are saying Mettl platform. Don't worry. Okay, because Accenture will conduct the exam using 3 different platforms. They can conduct the exam Wheebox, they can conduct the exam using Mettl test platform, they can conduct the exam using CoCubes platform. Okay, they may all okay. One college they'll do CoCubes, for other college they'll do Mettl. It will shuffle. Among these 3 platforms, they can pick anything. What about Cognizant, sir? Cognizant is having different sections. Few sections they're using CoCubes platform, few sections they're using Mettl platform. I'll let you know which sections, what, everything. In today's session, I'm not discussing any questions from quant reasoning or any puzzles, nothing. Here, today's session motto is test platforms. What are the different test platforms, right? And okay, which company is using what platform? What is their test patterns? That's what our motto. Yeah, this is how that Mettl platform looks like. Here you have a question. Yeah, here navigation allowed. You can go for any question to any question. You can start, sir, I want third question. Click on third question. I want second section. You can go for second section. Navigation allowed between questions and sections allowed. Calculator, no. As mentioned earlier, calculator is not allowed for all this recruitments except TCS company. No other company is trying to entertain that. Right, so fine. And Wheebox, Accenture, AGS Health, and there are other companies also which will use Wheebox test platform to conduct the test. Wheebox. Here also navigation allowed between sections and between the questions. Wheebox test platform, this is how it looks like. You can go for any question, you can go for any section, it's allowed. If you want to change the section, click here, it will display, you can go for other section. Those all are allowed in Wheebox test platform. These terms may be a bit new for you, but get it done. You understand this. Before going for any recruitment of any company, first try to understand what is the test platform, what sections are available, what topics to prepare. That's next one. That also will be covered, don't worry. There is one more platform called elitmus. okay, which is recruiting many companies, but nowadays they're mainly focusing on Harman company, which is a Samsung company related R&D department. Triple E students are allowed for Harman company as well. And this is how the platform looks like. Okay. And this is just an outline regarding the test platforms, dear. Now we'll go for the main content regarding what company, okay, test patterns. This is test platforms. What are the different type of test platforms like TCS? Okay, you know, CoCubes or AON test platform. This is very important. Many companies, TCS or AON platform, AMCAT, Mettl. Okay, AMCAT or SHL and Mettl. These are pretty much important for you. SHL, Mettl, okay, AMCAT, HirePro, okay, not that much, but Mettl. Mettl, CoCubes, AMCAT, these terms you should know at least. There are platforms. These are third party people, company using these people to conduct the exam, get the scores, done the job. Right, that's how the things are going on. Now, let's move for the test pattern. Sir, MNCs. Let's focus on TCS. Okay. See, TCS, three different packages: Ninja, Digital, and Prime. Ninja 3.36, Digital 7 lakhs plus, Prime 9 lakhs plus. This foundation section, which is quant, reasoning, and verbal, 20 questions, 25 minutes. Quant, verbal 25 questions, 25 minutes. Reasoning 20 questions, 25 minutes. This section must and should be cleared. Everyone, all students should attempt both part A and part B. Exam is more than 3 hours. 190 minutes means more than 3 hours. All students must and should attempt both part A and part B. But if you got good score in part A, sir, I am triple E student, I am EC student, I am civil student, all branches are eligible for TCS. I am not good in coding. Fine, no problem. But if you perform well in first round, then you'll get an interview call for Ninja. Ninja, which is a package for Ninja 3.36. Right. No, sir, I did well in the round one. In round two, coding one code I did, sir. Quantum reasoning I attempted, okay, and coding I did one program. So then you get a chance for digital interview. If you clear the interview, 7 lakhs package. No, sir, codes, both codes. So this is only two codes, not three. Only two codes. Two coding questions only. Two codes. I did two codes, sir. Then you will get a chance for 9 lakhs plus package. Imagine you starting a career with 9 lakhs package and 3.36 package. That is the difference. Those who are having skills, definitely you are benefited. See, 5 years, 4 years before, if you are excellent student or average student, below average, all got package of 3.36 only. But every company now is giving 2 or 3 different packages, depends on your skill. If you are very much skilled student, yes, they're accepting, they're honoring them, and they're giving high package. Sir, I not performed well in round one. I did only round two. Then you are not qualified for interview. Round one must and should you have to perform. That's why I'm requesting be good in quant, reasoning, and verbal. For quant and reasoning, all topics I'll right now share to sir regarding the PDF what topics you need to prepare. Beside, you can look into that entire stuff. Okay, topics, related videos, everything will be shared. Don't worry. Now let's move for Accenture company. Accenture company. In Accenture company, TCS, this is what the different sections after this interview here. Written test, then interview. Written test, this is what the test platform. And you can do coding in any language, but recommended not to go with Python for TCS. The platform is not supporting. Yeah, you can write using C, C++, Java, Python. Any languages you can try for writing coding, but preferably Python. Okay, those students who already attempted, your seniors, given a complaint Python is not working good in TCS platform, then you can be good in at least C for TCS. Okay, at least, right. Now let's move for Accenture Drive, the big MNC which is saving all colleges from past couple of years. During COVID, they're recruiting more. After COVID, still they're recruiting more. See, again here, first three sections are related to cognitive section. Here, cognitive and technical assessment. No, first three are related to cognitive. Next three are related to technical. 50 questions out of 9. These are all together 90 questions, my dear. 90 questions, 90 minutes is what Accenture. First round. Pseudocodes 18 questions. Pseudocode not required any programming language, whether you don't know C, you don't know Python, you don't know C++, fine, it's independent language. That is mainly meant for non-CSE IT students to get on into IT. Pseudocode is the area where you people can get okay, independent of any language. It's a basic stuff. Okay, it's like normal English. A is 3, B is 5, what is C? C equal to A plus B, print C. Like that, they'll display C, they'll ask like that. Very basic questions, in fact. 90 questions, 90 minutes. And next, if you qualify this, then only next round will open coding, 2 questions, and time is 45 minutes. 2 questions, 45 minutes. Then if you qualify coding round, after 2 days gap, communication test will be there, where they want to check listening, speaking, reading and writing. Around 63 questions will be asked and 40 minutes time duration. If you clear that, then you'll get the interview call. Okay, Accenture also having 2 different packages. One is 4.6 LPA, other one 6.6 LPA. Students who are doing all sections excellent. Sir, I did 90 MCQ questions. These are all MCQs. I performed well MCQs, then I performed well in coding. Okay, then performed well in interview, then you will get 6.6 package. If performed average, then you may got 4.6 package. 6.6 LP or 4.6 LP depends on your performance. This is only for on campus during college. Now, after college, I want to recruit, sir, then only 4.6 LPA. Off campus, only 4.6 LPA. Off campus, on campus, 4.6 is there. On campus only, you will get a chance for 6.6 LPA. If drive is happened in college and you attended for it, then you have a chance for 6.6 LPA. But in off campus, you don't get 6.6 LPA package. You don't have a chance. Right? Okay. Accenture using what platforms to conduct the exam? 3 platforms. It can be CoCubes, it can be Mettl, it can be Wheebox. I explained already, right? Accenture is connected in 3 different platforms. Wheebox or Mettl or CoCubes. Now Hexaware company, this is also having 2 packages, 4 LPA, 6 LPA. GET rule, PGET role is PGET and GET. Coding is not there for 4 LPA. Okay, coding not there for 4 LPA package, 4 lakhs package. If you perform well in coding, you will get 6 lakhs package. But this is quant, reasoning and verbal again. This is why CRT is very important. Everybody need to learn those concepts in basic CRT campus recruitment training, where quant, reasoning, verbal and one programming language they'll make sure people are aware of and getting ready with that content. So quant, reasoning and verbal. Hexaware first round. If we clear that, then you have domain-based pseudocodes independent of any language and some basic computer fundamentals related questions. 30 questions, 30 minutes. Then 2 coding questions will be asked for PGET rule. If it is GET role, sorry. Okay, then you got no need of coding. Then directly communication. See, coding is not there in Hexaware. Coding is optional in TCS. Accenture, at least 1 code you need to do, otherwise you don't get 4.6 also. Out of 2 codes, at least 1 code you need to do. One very easy program they're asking, like area of circle, you have to write the program. Python program, at least you can learn. For TCS recommended for C, okay, even you are from AAA or EC or civil or mechanical, still we recommend you people to learn C and Python both. Or worst case Python. It's very easy, you can write the code in hardly 2 to 3 lines. It's very easy. And sir, you said communication round is there. Here you said communication test LSRW, listening, speaking, reading and writing. You said in Accenture communication test is there. Not only Accenture communication test, not only Hexaware, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, Wipro, you name any company nowadays, every company is going for communication test. What they are going to ask in communication tester? LSRW, listening, speaking, reading and writing. Listening, speaking, reading and writing. In Accenture, this is how the communication test is there. They'll display some sentence, you need to read it loud. You have to read it loud. And there is next section called listen and repeat. There is audio will be played, you need to listen to that and repeat that sentence. They want to check your accent, right? Whether you have a good listening skills or not, you are understand the accent or not, or whether you are able to deliver it or not. And basic questions related to one word answers related to verbal content jumble, para jumble. This is again verbal. Story relate retelling. You have to listen to the story and retell. Right. Then verb formation question. This is all bit related to verbal and listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Writing is not there in this one anyhow. It's only listening, speaking, reading. Only LSR. W is not there in this. Communication test is pretty much common in majority of the companies except TCS company. And sir, I want to practice communication test, sir. I'm just giving you here one link. I'll open also. And Pearson company Android app link also given. You just download that, install that app. Okay, it'll ask enter TAN number. Click on not it and give this TAN as for sample test and take the sample test and check how good you people are in English. Or else just click on this link. Here you'll get one link related to Cambridge. Okay, Cambridge link, and you can just start testing yourself. This is for free. You can just start testing yourself. Okay, young learners, you can, there is a test will be enabled. Yeah, this is regarding reading and writing, right? So basic one, it's a rainy day. Okay, this is what, these are birds, this is yellow. Okay, this is basic grammar related questions. No, when you go for next, then did you enjoy the party? Yes, very much. What's your new teacher like, Carla? She likes playing table tennis. What she likes. So allow this photo of your family, David. Allow this photo. Yes, please. So, and here you need to opt. Okay, just I'm giving marking randomly just to know what type of questions are possible. I'm just randomly going with. Okay. So now see, this is what listening skills. Previously some basic grammar. No, now that's the question. See, they are mentioning, okay, this is regarding listening skills. The audio will be played and it may be like a diagrammatic options, or they may give some theoretical options that click on it and check it out, right? Okay, then you click on get this. This is a basic sample free test. Okay, that link is given there. And still, this is other app where you can check your listening skills. Lot of links related to communication test is shared. You just check it out, all those stuff. This PDF will be shared, don't worry. And this is again listening skill. See, there is a paragraph. Okay, you need to listen to this clip and answer the question. See, first one regarding cycle, unsafe for cyclists. I read that of the question. No, it's the correct one. This is regarding listening skills checking. Listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Sir, listening, okay. Speaking also okay, sir. We have to make that accent. Reading anyhow, you people are having some passage, reading that and answering that you people may be familiar of, right? So I'm giving a lot of links to check yourself, okay? And sir, what about essay writing? I'll share you regarding that essay writing content also soon. There is a links where you can practice. I'll discuss regarding that essay writing. Don't worry. Okay, so listening, speaking, reading, and writing. How they'll check writing, all those stuff also will be explained. No worries. Okay. Regarding communication test, you need to prepare. I just want to put in your mind what are the different things you people need to be ready for the placements. One thing pretty much clear, quant reasoning verbal and one programming language pretty much C. If you're not comfortable C, worst case you go with the Python at least. And apart from those two, you need to learn communication test. Versant round, svar. Instead of communication, they call it like versant. Okay, versant round, svar round, communication test. All these are same. It's all different names, but all are different, same content pretty much. Versant or svar or communication. Right. Now, LNT test platform, LNT. First round, yeah, they're using Mettl platform idea. So what sorry, LNT, no, okay, AMCAT or SHL. See, if you are attending for LNT drive, you have to go for the previous AMCAT related papers. Here, analytical ability means reasoning, quant, verbal. See, reasoning, quant, verbal for every company. I'm mentioning that. Domain based questions, 30 questions, 30 minutes. See, domain based means there is a chance they'll ask from electrical machines, department related. For triple E students, they can ask electrical machines, right? For EC students, they may ask digital electronics related questions. Department domain based means it's related to your branch. Okay. Sometimes they'll ask computer fundamentals as well. Okay, some pseudo codes and all. For some recruitments, they'll ask department oriented questions. Right? It may be from electrical circuits, electrical missions, or power missions. Some important subjects related to core subjects related to triple E. They may ask certain questions related to that as well. MCQs only. And coding. LNT recruitment, quant reasoning, verbal and coding. So don't skip that coding part. For few companies, as I mentioned, okay, coding is not required. You will get minimum package, but with coding, you will get more package as well. Don't lose it. This is also package of only one package, 4 LPA plus 4 lakhs per annum around. Right. And what about Capgemini said? Capgemini, which will recruit on campus majority of the times. Now, first round is technical tests. All are elimination rounds. First round is technical test where you have 40 questions, 40 minutes time duration. Then essay writing, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. There writing, here also writing. Essay writing. One question, 30 minutes. Game based aptitude. See here, there is no quantum reasoning. Gaming is there, guys. You have to learn gaming also. Gaming. Certain companies like Cognizant and Capgemini and IBM, Adobe company, they're not giving quantum reasoning. Verbal is there. Instead of quantum reasoning, they're going for gaming. 4 different type of games, around 24 plus questions. You can take approximately 30 minutes. And behavioral round, personality test. I'll show what is this behavioral round. So this is a new term, personality test. Don't worry, all this can be done easily. Don't worry, don't be panic. First thing, you just check yourself. Individual student have individual strength. I'm good in verbal, sir. Okay, cool. Again, don't start preparing only verbal. Where you are weak, focus on that. You have time. Let us know. Let the department or let the college know which section you are weak. We'll plan the sessions, right? We'll plan. We'll give the resources. We are here to support you, right? So we'll do the things. First, let us understand what is the company's requirement in today's session. Going forward, okay, you can get the support. Which area you are weak, we'll work on it. We'll work on it. First, at least aware of what is there. What is the requirement? Is it or not? The session may be a bit bored because I'm not discussing any questions. It's all about test patterns, what companies are expecting from you, right? Capgemini also you have two packages, my dear. 4 LPA and 7.5 LPA. This coding is required for 7.5 LPA, that star mark. If you want high package 7.5 LPA, then only coding, or else coding is not required. Now see, Capgemini, no coding also fine. No coding also fine. Right. And this behavioral test or personality test, what is that, sir? I'll show. Don't worry, we are here. Spoken English, that's what listening, speaking. Essay writing, I'll show. I'm here to share. Gaming, sir, I'll show, no problem. Technical test, IT fundamental, this is data structure and algorithms. In fact, they're asking pseudo codes. In fact, they're asking pseudo codes. As I mentioned, A equal to 3, B equal to 4, C equal to A and B. In digital electronic subject, AND gate, OR gate, doing 1 and 1 is 1, 1 and 0 is 0. Those, if you know, pseudo codes can be done easily. They're asking questions from pseudo codes and all. Essay writing, how to do, what they are going to check, I'll explain, no issues. And then gaming, what type of games they're asking, that also will be discussed. Cool, no issues in that. Right. Now, let's see. In this gaming, to make sure that people practice better, okay, there is fourth game called as motion challenge. Videos are shared already, and all these video links you can just click and check it out. What is memory based grid challenge? Different type, 4 games is there for for Capgemini. 4 games they're asking. All those 4 games, grid challenge, inductive logical thinking, geo pseudo challenge, motion challenge, all I'll share. And this is the practice one. Okay, and people may be not aware of what is, okay, geo pseudo challenge. I said geo pseudo challenge here. No, this is what geo pseudo challenge is. If people are playing sudoku game, I think everyone can answer this. What will come here? Right? So row wise, column wise, 4 symbols. Row wise, all 4 should be different. Column wise, all 4 should be different. All 4 should cover. Okay, that's what the first one. If you want to play, this is called detective challenge or else geo pseudo challenge. Geo means geometric symbols and pseudo because of sudoku game. You see this? What should come here? We don't want triangle. We don't want circle. What should come? Square. That's it. What should come here? Here square should not come. So square should come here. I'll give all these links. You people can check later. Right? What is possibility? What can be filled? All those stuffs. Yeah, you cannot get here. I cannot get this here. So this must be circle. Row wise, column wise, all things should be different. Pretty much you people are aware of those logics. Right? Okay, start. They'll go for 4 by 4. This is easy one. Generally, they'll ask 4 by 4 matrix, 5 by 5. This is 3 by 3. Now see, 4 by 4. This is what you can expect in your exam. This is geo pseudo challenge, one game. Geo pseudo challenge, Sudoku game. So what about this memory based? What about this motion challenge? Okay, I'll go for that. All these links are already given. Don't worry. First, focus on the things what we are giving here. I said motion challenge, right? So yeah, motion challenge is very simple. You have to throw ball to the hole. Here ball is this, hole is here. I need to throw that here. There is some obstacle. I need to move it. So what first I'll do? This blue one I'll put the sky blue down, this purple down. Then this one I can put it in the hole. Complete. Task completed. Now what is here? Hole is there. First I need to clear that place. See, is it okay? Or else what I can do? I'll do undo. Undo not possible. No. Okay, fine. Time also limited. We have to be careful. Limited things only available. Not all things can be done. I can put this, yeah, time up. We need to do the things fast. Now this one should move here. So one thing we can go up, we can go down. This one move up and left. Now this ball you can track one. See, number of steps will be identified now. Done. That's how this is okay, regarding motion challenge for your understanding. This ball should reach to the hole. You can move all these things side. That's all possible, no worry. So here also you just click on all these things will be shared for you, don't worry. Links are shared. Okay, you can keep practicing this, right? So this is called gaming, very easy compared to quantum reasoning, what you people will feel, right? So motion challenge. Okay, index to logical thinking is also very easy. I'll just show you that index to logical thinking. This is index to logical related. This game also very easy. Video in detail I explained. Okay, this video already links are given. Later people can practice that. Yeah. Here your job is identifying. See, left side you observe middle one common, right? So there is some logic in the left too. In among these four, you need to select two here. Among these four, you need to select two, not one. Similar to this logic. What is logic here? Middle one should be something common. Middle one something common available in this one and this one. You need to select two things. It's not one, two things you need to select. Here first row is common. First row common in here, here, here. Then again next one logic we have to see. Middle two also required. So this one, two things. I am selecting two. Two grids we need to select. Right. So next here diagonally same. Here diagonally same. Diagonally same required. Here and here available. Diagonal, you observe diagonally same. Left diagonal, right diagonal like that. I think diagonally okay with this and this one only. Wrong. So some other logic might be. So here above two rows should be same. So like this you can play the game, gaming, right? So all those gaming is very easy. I'm sharing the resources. So you, I think by this time you understand quant reasoning verbal required, communication test is required, one programming language, one gaming. Sir, behavioral test, sir, personality test or a psychometric test. I'll explain. I'll give the resource. Don't worry. You just attend the sessions and understand what is the requirement. Psychometric test as well, or behavioral test or personality test. It's there in IBM company, there in Tech Mahindra, there in Capgemini. In okay, different companies require behavioral competency. What is that, sir? I'll show. And before that, essay writing. Here, essay writing. Guys, listen. Essay writing, and I'll show the screenshot here. You observe this is how 10 marks is the weightage, and see how they what they're asking. 10 marks, okay, 200 to 240 words you need to write for 10 marks, and they are giving a topic randomly in exam, and see minimum 200 words. If you type less than 200 words, you are eliminated, you are not clearing that round. Note that a write-up less than 200 words are not evaluated. For essay writing, if you type less than 200, you are eliminated. This is how the platform looks like. Sir, how to check this and what is the constraints required for essay writing? Listen, my dear friends. First constraint is, okay, number of words. Less than 200 words or 180 words, not evaluated. How to practice, I'll let you know. Essay writing will be around 20 or 30 minutes, depends on company. Few companies will go for 20 minutes, few companies will go for 30 minutes. Less than 200 words? No, not eligible. Second thing, what they'll check? Spelling mistakes. Yeah, it is not MS Word. It is not MS Word where whatever you typed, okay, it will show red color, green color, blue color, nothing. It's a notepad here. It is a notepad, right? Whatever you typed, it will be available. If spelling mistakes are more than 5, you are eliminated from that round. Less than 200 words eliminated, more than 5 spelling mistakes eliminated. Next, what they'll check, sir? Punctuation marks related. What is that, sir? See, after comma, after comma, space is required. Is it? After full stop, space is required. Then start with capital letter. Punctuation marks, comma, full stop. After comma, give some space. After dot, give space and start with capital letter. Those punctuation marks. If you use one quotation, single quotation or double quotation, close that. For any sentence you open a quotation, close it. And some people have a doubt why they are giving the range of 180 to 200 or 200 to 400, sir. Your sentence should complete 240. Your sentence should complete, right? If you are in the middle of sentence, if you don't complete, that entire sentence will come under mistake. Okay. Fourth point, you have to make sure about grammatical mistakes. Grammatical mistakes. Sir, I am not good in grammar. I am also not good in grammar. What you can do grammatical mistakes to avoid? Write a sentence with 3 to 4 words. If you write a sentence with 3 to 4 words, then automatically grammatical mistakes will be avoided. He is good, no grammatical mistake. She is good, he is very good. If you use less number of words to complete a sentence, then no issues. Or else, is it in past tense, present continuous? Is it satisfying? All those are not, will be a problem. While writing essay writing, write crispy, small sentences, then grammatical mistakes will be avoided. Punctuation marks, spelling mistakes. Last one is content relevancy. Content relevant. What is content relevant, sir? See, if question is regarding smart work and hard work, you are writing regarding Mahatma Gandhi or you are writing regarding Kalki film, it's not related to that, right? Content relevant. If it is regarding smart work and hard work, at least in the given passage, you should write smart work, hard work at least 5 to 10 times. Then the topic is related to that. Relevancy, content relevancy. Okay, content relevance. And it's not about, okay, sir, in our school days, we're writing essay writing first paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph. This is software, my dear. Here, software is used. Paragraphs and all, they don't consider. Software don't consider all those paragraphs. It's not manual checking, software checking. Whether you write one paragraph, whether you write paragraphs, 2, 3 paragraphs, it's your wish. But software won't consider that. It's a software. Sir, I want to practice, sir. Don't worry. Cool. I'm giving you the tool. Cambridge platform. Free tool. I'm just clicking on that. Write and improve. If you are a beginner, means 40 words, 50 words, intermediate, advanced level. You can start intermediate level actually. Now see. Okay, I'm just clicking on this essay. Now I have to write an essay, okay, in English. Regarding making mistakes is not always a bad thing. Regarding that, I have to type the essay. Here, see, 140 to 190 words. And once you, sir, how to count that? When you type, hi, hello, something like this, let's say. Here, see the count, 2 words entered. For this task, you should enter between 140 and 190. Otherwise, it won't check. And you check it out here, it will show all errors. It will give the feedback here. Whether you are grammatical doing mistakes or anything, all those you can practice, my dear. Right? Write and improve, a platform from Cambridge, free platform. You can start doing essay writing. And your plan should be, so time is 20 minutes, let's say go for the worst case, 20 minutes. Then what you can do, first 5 minutes think about what you need to type. 10 minutes complete typing around 180 to 200 words. You should practice the speed typing 180 200 words in 10 minutes. Last 5 minutes, check mistakes. Last 5 minutes, check mistakes. Last 5 minutes, check your mistakes, whether it is grammatical mistakes or what, you can kindly check those. Okay, so first think about what to be typed. This checking is important because see, and one more thing, it's a software, and okay, it will take the reference regarding dictionary. Suppose okay, your favorite, you are typing regarding some virus and don't mention COVID. COVID is not there in the dictionary, right? It will be taken as a spelling mistake. You, instead of COVID, you will write one of the dangerous disease. Don't type COVID. Coronavirus, which is occurred in December, something COVID occurred. Instead of that, write one of the dangerous disease. Instead of okay, your faculty name, okay, you can say one of our favorite faculty. Instead of typing Rafi sir name is not there in the dictionary. Hemanth sir is not there in the dictionary. Srinivas sir not there in the dictionary. Madhavalita madam name is not there in the dictionary. It's a dictionary. Understand that first of all, right? Okay, and do the smart things. Fine. So this is regarding essay writing. What they'll check and resources are given. How to practice and are given. What you need to be careful regarding essay writing. And this is the platform. Okay, one of the screenshot how it looks like and how things, this will count here. Count will be 1 now. Count should be 1 word, it will count. Okay, don't, no, you no need to count, that will display the count. Next, regarding tech Mahindra, quant reasoning verbal essay writing, you observe essay writing, quant reasoning verbal essay writing, and yeah, computer science related something, automata fix. See, this Tech Mahindra is conducted now in AMCAT platform. Automata fix means program is given with error. Program, you not need to type program, guys. Listen, here also there is no coding. In fact, program with error is given. You need to compile, and you will get error. You have to rectify the error. Automata fix means rectify the error. That type of questions available only in AMCAT platform. No other platform designed that. AMCAT or SHL platform is the one which designed this. Program with error. Okay, how to rectify that error and then run the program. That's it. Personality test or psychometric test or behavioral test, we'll discuss. Communication test already discussed. What type of questions? And not discussed internally what is happening. What is communication test? At least I okay, given the outline. Now psychometric test. Yeah, I'll just show you how the psychometric test will be there. See, in psychometric test, you people can practice personality test or psychometric test likewise. See, they'll give the options like strongly agree, disagree, not can't say, neutral, agree, strongly agree. There are 5 options: strongly agree, disagree, unsure, can't say, neutral, agree, strongly agree, like that. Now, let's say I enjoy meeting new people. See, it's individual perception. There is no correct answer, there is no wrong answer. I enjoy meeting new people. Yeah, if you are enjoying, you give agree or strongly agree. Okay, or you are, some people are maybe okay, they don't want to meet other people. If that is the case, they want to check your mindset, whether you are a too sensitive candidate or too aggressive candidate. They don't want too aggressive candidates because it's a teamwork. You have to work with a team. One aggressive candidate may disturb the entire team. One too sensitive candidate may also disturb the entire team. So they would just want to check what type of mindset you are. I like helping people. If it is agree, yes, fine. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. Right? So yes, agree means agree when you click on. I sometimes make mistakes. Yes, I'll do some mistakes. And then I'll learn from that, that's fine. I'm easily disappointed. No, disagree. I enjoy repairing things. Means rectifying the things. Fine, I agree. If you're not sure, keep not sure. That's it. This is regarding the psychometric test or okay, personality test and all. And see, as these questions are very easy, they are giving 72 questions. Guys, 72 questions, 15 minutes only. In Capgemini, sorry, 100 questions, but there is no time limit. 100 questions. no time limit. But for this, there is a time limit. Okay, 72 questions. In IBM also they're asking personality test. I'll give one more. This one, psychometric related. Yeah, here. My goals in life are clear. My goals in life are clear. Strongly disagree, agree? Yeah, agree. I'm very clear with the goals. If you are not there, okay, disagree like that. So at the end it will go. If people are rude to me, I just shrug it off. Yes. I'm confident in what I do. Yeah, I'm confident in teaching, so I'm confident in what I do. I can work even when things are disorganized. Yeah, fine. I can work. Even see, this is two ways. One side of the coin, it may be correct. One side of the coin, it may be wrong. This guy, okay, is working just like that instead of arranging the things. Generally, people, some people, if things are in and around is good, then only they'll get the mindset to work on. Okay, if you're neutral, fine. Okay, all disagreements, disagree. There is no correct answer. There is no wrong answer. Actually, problem is that I consistently put full time and effort into everything I do. Agree? Yes. I consistently work on it. I prefer achieving my goals than assisting others to achieve their goals. See, this is neutral. See, sometimes, yeah, I'm going with neutral here. Yeah, I can achieve my goals, but in fact, you are a human being, you should just try to help others as well, right? So, then assisting others to achieve their goals. So, I prefer achieving my goals, then, yeah, first preference to me, then I'll help others. I'm not saying I'm not helping others. I can help others as well. It's all your pure perception. And then it will display the report as well in this link. Okay, whether you're suitable. So there will be unsuitable, suitable, very much suitable like that. That will give a report. Okay, you are in which range? You can just think about it when you submit all these tests. This test, personality test or psychometric test, link is given, 3 different links. This is communication, but still if you click on it's asking regarding personality test only. All these links are given here, you can see. I prefer not to interrupt other people when they are speaking. Agree, I don't want to interrupt other people, let them complete. Okay, likewise here also I have questions. Here also you'll get some report. Okay, I given different things to know what type of questions you can expect, right? And let me enter into Cognizant company. This is if it is off campus, when you are passed out, the things are different. Communication tests, Cognizant company, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Accenture, right? See, all companies communication test is there. LSRW. And other one, quant and reasoning. Communication test internally anyhow verbal they are checking, right? Listening, speaking, reading, writing is all about verbal. Verbal here, quant and reasoning, that's it. See, there is no coding. No coding. Whereas on campus you have 3 roles: Gen C, Gen C Pro, Gen C Next. 3 different packages. This technical assessment, if you do better, then Gen C Pro and Gen C Next. Gen C Pro and Gen C Next. 2 programs, one medium and one hard, and 20 code debugging questions. It's pseudo code. Input and output cracking. They'll give a program and input and output. What is that? 120 minutes like that. This is depends on that. You'll get this. See, if they are done with round 1 and round 2, there is no programming. You'll get Gen C 4 lakhs package. Sir, I'm not good in programming. Already I shown now Cognizant. TCS no programming, right? We already saw that. Hexaware no programming. See all these different companies no programming. Okay, so yeah, programming is their package is high. We have here 6+ package. This is 6.5 plus package. Package is different. If your skills are more, that's what the problem, right? Now let's see about Wipro. So what platform for Cognizant? Yeah, fine. That's I need to mention. Guys, listen, listen, listen. This is important. What is the problem here? Round 3 Mettl platform in Cognizant again. There is a very important thing. Round 3 they use Mettl platform for coding. They are using Mettl platform. For the second round, they are using CoCubes platform. CoCubes platform for quant and gaming, a quantitative aptitude and gaming, no reasoning. For technical assessment, Mettl platform. Tech Mahindra, I said AMCAT or SHL, entire AMCAT or SHL platform, AMCAT. And Wipro, CoCubes platform, CoCubes platform. Here also CoCubes platform, right? See, quant reasoning verbal, essay writing. Svar means communication test, guys. Svar is nothing but communication test. See, pseudocodes, independent of programming language. Pseudocodes related video also I'll share. Okay, you can learn pseudocodes. I am basically from EC background. Still, I am doing Python coding better, C better. Pseudocode I am doing. You can pseudocode, coding, computer science fundamental. This is MCQs. This is also MCQs, but this is coding related to codes. Right? So quant tracing verbal common. And this is for elite role. Elite means for engineering students, btech or mtech or MCA. But for degree students, no coding. There are different roles. Some people are going with person, sir, I saw some other pattern. That is for, this is for degree students. For degree students, no coding, you see. Quant reasoning verbal and essay writing. In fact, Accenture company also for degree students, if there are degree students are attending, only these three sections for degree students. Accenture for degree students, only these three sections. No coding. Directly they'll go for communication route, then directly interview. Depends on their package is 3.3 in Accenture. Right. Wipro, that communication note, I said short questions, conversation, listen to the dialogue and provide appropriate response, reading and speaking, listening and speaking, see speaking, fill the blanks, grammatical related, short questions, grammatical related, and correct the sentence, grammatical related, free speech, around 45 seconds related to the topic you need to speak. Swar related, you can see, and practice one I given here clearly. This is the practice related. See, short questions is platform is essentially so this is how that sections questions will be there. SHL platform. Okay, for essay writing, okay, for Swar round, they're using SHL means AMCAT platform. For Swar round, okay, they're using AMCAT platform or SHL. Remaining all are CoCubes, but for this is also CoCubes platform only. But for Swar round, communication round, they are using SHL platform for Wipro. That is why, okay, if you see, for SHL, I written maybe Wipro, I written under CoCubes, I written under SHL because few sections they are using CoCubes platform, few sections they are using SHL platform. So you should know of that. You should be aware of that. Wipro done, IBM. IBM using HackerRank platform for conducting coding round and MCQs. These two HackerRank platform. IBM will recruit only women students on campus. On campus, only female students. Off campus, when you are done with the BTech, after that, if you attend for the other, then there is a chance for both male and female. Generally, and on campus they recruit only female students. And here also gaming. Learning agility psychometric test 50 questions 30 minutes. Psychometric test is there here as well. English test, verbal test. Okay, instead of quant and reasoning, they are giving gaming, coding. That's what almost every company, if you see, order may be different. Some questions first round communication companies first round is communication test. For some companies, first round is quant reasoning verbal. For some questions, coding is the first round. Right. Uh, Fine. So what about gaming, sir? 5 games you said. So these are the different games: shortcut, gridlock, resemble, number bubbles, tally up. Okay, I already did a video in my YouTube. I am just opening for your aware of things. Okay. So yeah. So I'll just okay. There are different games. I'm just showing you. There is one game called as shortcut. What is shortcut? Gridlock, all those. So in shortcut game, what is your job is, yeah, moving the ball to the stars. See, this is ball, you need to move that marble to the stars. Okay, they give a distance shortcut path you need to identify. You need to that blue one to that star one. Okay, that's one game called as shortcut. First game is shortcut. I'm just giving the outline, later you can see. Gridlock means they'll give a shape, you need to create that shape. They'll give a shape, you need to create that shape. How, sir? Okay, this all things later you can see. That's what shortcut. Now gridlock. This shape you can click and change, and you have to fill this shape. You click on this right side, it will change the shape. Clicking, then you will get some shape, and then you put it here. That shape should be obtained finally. This shape is required. I can click on and I can develop that. Yeah, you can put it there. So here, that's what gridlock. This is gridlock. Okay, shortcut is moving that ball to that star's place. That destination is there, starting point, ending point. For every game, there is a tutorial. You people can check the tutorial and go. Now, this is what again. This shape is required. Add to form using these symbols. Okay, I can map those one by one. Right, see, this is what gridlock. Different gamings, one by one. I'm just trying to explain. Right. Okay. What is the other games? Resemble. Resemble pretty much see look like gridlock only. I'll show you what is that resemble is. Yeah, resemble is this. This shape is required. I need to form that here. You can click on that right side, it will turn. This is gaming. In IBM, no quantum reasoning, gaming. Here problem see 90 degrees left side means this yellow will come down, this blue will go to this side. 90 degrees means one position to the left side. Every diagram will move one position to the left side. So this is gridlock. Resemble gridlock. What is number bubbles here? See, they'll give a target below is 10. They'll display 2 plus 8, 6 plus 4, 16 to 4. You need to click on the bubbles related to that. You need to click on the bubbles related to that. I'll just show you that number bubble. See, here target is 10. 2 into 3, no. 16 to 3, no. That bubble I need to click. Speed and accuracy they want to check. I want 3. Yeah, 3 into 1, correct? 3 plus 1, no. Hardly 7 seconds they'll display. 5 minus 3, no. 7 you want, so you just observe 5 plus 2 likewise, and I'll go for a bit complicated one. Now see, target is 12. You have to click on the right one. If suppose those bubbles, if you don't click, that points also will come. Wrong one, if you don't click, that points also will be added. 16 to 12, okay. Don't click on everything. If wrong one you don't click, if it did disappear, then that points also will be added. That point also will add if it's gone. That increase that your score also. 29 minus 16 correct, 9 plus 4 okay, 46 minus 33 okay, 17 to 3 wrong. That points will be lost. That's what you have to keep checking. Click on the correct bubbles only. Number bubbles, 6 seconds only it will display hardly. You need to click on the correct things. This is number bubbles. I hope you understand number bubbles. Last one is tally up. What is this tally up, sir? Yeah, this is tally up game. Which side is larger one? That side you have to click. If both are equal, click on the middle. Guys, which side is larger? Click on that larger side. If both are equal, click on the middle one. I'll just go for the next level questions. Yeah, see. Left side, right side, both are equal means click on middle. Which side is greater? Click on that side. Right side greater means right side. Both are equal, middle button. 6 seconds only you need to decide. Left side bigger, click on left side. Right side bigger. That's it. Both are equal means middle one. Which side bigger? That one you need to click. Hardly 4 to 6 seconds. Speed and accuracy they want to check. Good, no? 6 seconds. Time up. If you don't click on it, time up. Right? So see the beauty. Gaming. No quant and no reasoning in IBM. Only gaming. Got it? Lot of windows I opened. Okay, later I'll close. Right, so IBM, lot of companies we discussed. Right, for IBM, coding is required here. Coding they are asking. No other go. Yeah, triple E students, EC, all circuit branches are eligible. No civil mechanical. IBM in general. Okay. Infosys. This is for 3.6 LPA. 3.6 LPA. Designation is system engineer. Designation is system engineer. Here no coding. Pseudo codes means input output. Input and output related one. Logical reasoning, mathematical ability is nothing but quant, verbal, you see, puzzle solving, puzzles. Puzzles means don't worry about. They'll give 2, 3, 6, 5, 4, 20. They'll mention 6-48. This is actually puzzles as per them. It's inserting missing character concept. They'll give, okay, 3 rows, 3 columns. So we have to understand 2 into 3 is nothing but equal to 6. 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. Then similarly 6 multiplied by 8 is nothing but equal to 48. 6, 8, 48. Those are nothing but puzzle solving related questions as per Infosys. This is for 3.6. So Infosys less package, sir. No. You have 6 lakhs, 9 lakhs package as well. For that, 3 hours, 3 coding questions. 3 hours, 3 coding questions for 6 lakhs and 9 lakhs package. Okay. So that's what depends on your skills. If you know coding, there is no quant reasoning here. No quant reasoning verbal. Okay, for this high package. Right. So guys, okay, majority of the MNCs I try to cover different text platforms and all. Okay, and now let me go ahead with your doubts.